my wonderful people, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you what I do to my leftover rice. We're not that accurate all the time. Like when we want to make white rice for the family, we might make the quantity that is more than we can consume, or the stew or sauce made for the rice got finished. So instead of you to be waiting till the next time you make stew or sauce, which you don't even know, it might be forever, and then you end up wasting the rice, let me show you what you can do to your leftover rice. So here is my own leftover rice. As you can see, it is frozen. I'm trying to heat it, so that the grains will separate. I've left, as in this has been in the freezer for almost 3 weeks now. Yeah, I don't need to leave it to thaw before. If you allow it thaw before making it you might not really get it right, so you have to stir fry it as it's frozen. So here is my beef. I've already cut them into smaller bites, so I'm trying to season. This is curry powder, some thyme, and some chicken seasonings. I also added onion powder, I'm adding dark soy sauce. So with this I don't need to add salt because it already has, the sauce contains some amount of salt. I just added little oil to the pan. Like we're not deep frying it, just like is the frying we are doing. So just little oil. We are cooking the meat at the same time. Please subscribe if you are new here and give this video a thumbs up. Also drop your comment for me and share. Please share my video. Thank you. So these are the veggies I will be using: carrots, green bell pepper, spring onion, green, that is unripe scotch bonnet, and then onion. In the same pan I just added little more oil to aid in the frying of the veggies. Going in with my onion, so I added the carrots and the bell pepper. I just went in with the unripe scotch bonnet. Sorry guys, I've added little salt today so that the veggies will have sweet taste. There is no need for too much seasoning. This is just simple recipe we are making. There's no need to add different things because I'm still going to add little more soy sauce, and soy sauce is just enough for this. You can add more other sauces like oyster sauce, that. I'm fine with this. So I've added my rice now. As you can see, not everything, as in not all the grains could separate. Some are still in block form, but then don't worry, the heat will do the work. So guys, at the point I was stir frying the veggies, you notice that the oil was as like it was dry, so I had to add extra oil, just little, because I don't want too much oil. So I've added the soy sauce now. That's why the color changed. Sorry, I didn't show you. Already you know what soy sauce is. So you keep stir frying this for the next 3 minutes. At this point, check if there is need to add salt. I just added the stir fried beef. Combine. Now I'm finishing up with sesame oil. You know, this always comes last, like the taste takes your meal to the next level. About 2 drops of it. Lastly, the spring onion just went in. So guys, this is it. Look at how yummy this leftover rice. Who would believe I should serve you this meal? You will never believe that it's leftover rice. Seriously, I'm not capping. Like, the taste, as in, it tastes so good. It tastes so. This is one of the things you can do to your leftover rice. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share. I love you guys. Mwah.